Do your customers keep waiting for their order to get delivered? With LogiNext, you can create unique tracking links so that your customer always knows where their delivery is. What's more, these links are branded with your logo and theme, which can be customized by you. Notify your customers in advance as their orders are about to be delivered. So, no more peeping out of the window for your customers. Choose LogiNext, deliver a great customer experience. Still finding it difficult to load your orders into your vehicle efficiently? With LogiNext 3D packing optimization, get the most effective way to load your vehicles and maximize capacity utilization. Get LogiNext, make the most of what you have. Is it frustrating to integrate carriers into your delivery system? LogiNext introduces Carrier Integration Marketplace, which allows you to integrate carriers at just one click without any tech requirements. Also, get real-time visibility of the orders being serviced by them. No more stress for your orders. Integrate your carriers, and manage a hassle-free delivery with LogiNext. Is this a dream for you to assign orders automatically? LogiNext has got you covered. It enables you to assign thousands of orders automatically to existing trips. What's more, you can also add different customizable profiles for automatic order allocation that suits better with your operations. Switch to LogiNext, and optimize order allocation for thousands of orders just with one click. Having trouble managing multiple rate contracts with your carriers? LogiNext enables contract management for all your carriers on one single platform. What's more, add rate profiles for those carriers, which let you determine the costs for fulfilling your orders. Switch to LogiNext, for superior logistics solutions. Monitoring your supply chain activities manually can be time-consuming and tiring. LogiNext introduces Control Tower, a dashboard to monitor everything at one place, and reports, to keep a track of how your operations are aligned periodically. LogiNext, redefining delivery experience. Are you struggling to find drivers for bulk order deliveries? With LogiNext, you can enable rider sharing across branches, so that you can manage your peak delivery periods by sharing riders with different branches. Now, even if it's a holiday season, you don't need to worry about driver shortage. LogiNext, enabling great fleet optimization.
Imagine your driver is out for delivery, but there's heavy traffic on the highway, and your customer isn't happy with the delayed delivery. Well, with LogiNext Mile you can now configure all the route parameters while planning the trip. Which gives you the best route possible. Multiple order assignment. Underutilized fleet. Heavy traffic. Vehicle breakdown. Do these challenges still give you hard times? With LogiNext Mile, now you can overcome these challenges with just one click. It allows you to plan your trip automatically, and our product will remove these challenges for you. For faster delivery and happy customers, switch to LogiNext now.